Justin Tuck, Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, family owned and operated for 43 years. I want to show y'all this brand new 2020 427 Raptor toy hauler, onboard generator, triple axle, pass-through storage, universal docking station. Of course, you got the frameless windows, triple axle with the EcoFlex shocks, 6-point auto leveling, fueling station. Now, for those that want all your living space and you need somewhere to put your ride, four-wheeler, golf cart, motorcycle, fit right in here. It's all ducted AC. Here on the inside of this 427 Raptor, we got the front kitchen, real countertops, convection microwave, 3-top burner stove. You got your Furrion oven, plenty of countertop space, farm-style stainless steel sink. Of course, you got this window here. Roller shades everywhere. Double door fridge. Norcold. Best one you can get. Plenty of counters. Countertops. You got a little bar area. This baby is an energy management system, so you can run all 3 ACs from your generator and not have to worry about anything blowing. Massage and heat seats in your theater seating with the LED lights. Trifold sofas on each side. Meet in the middle. 40-inch Furrion furnace, so you can serve your propane. Big screen LED TV. Come on back to the back. Walk on up. You got the big bathroom. Porcelain toilet. Big glass shower. Got the bedroom. And this is your king bed. Washer dryer hookups. You got the vanity slide. A lot of clothes. And this bed will raise up for your bikes underneath. 3 ACs. Thanks for coming out and joining us. BayouOutdoorSupercenter.com, 1800 Barstow Boulevard. Come and see me, Justin Tuck, or look on our website, BayouOutdoor.com.